So welcome to the secret tutorial to virtual combination lock prediction. If you printed these out, laminate them, then you're left with a bunch of cards. You could also use your business cards and write on the back of your business cards. Most of these numbers are irrelevant. These are the two numbers you need to force, 143 and the 137. This one is for the 3-digit combination, 143, and this is for the 4-digit PIN code, 137. So you can use your PATEO force or you can use your favorite force to arrive at the first one, 143. These can be set aside. So that's their locker number that they randomly arrived at. So you would have the participant launch their calculator app, select a 3-digit code, any code they want. So let's do something easy, 1, 2, 3. And like any program, you have to enter their PIN code twice to ensure accuracy. 1, 2, 3. So their display screen, which you don't see, has a 3-digit PIN code repeated twice. Now they have to associate their secret PIN code with the locker number they chose. In this case, 143. So they hit divided by 1, 4, 3, and hit equals. Again, you never see the display, okay, or their PIN codes. So now they have a confirmation number. So now you need a password hint. So they hit divided by again, and their secret code, which was 1, 2, 3, and they're left with 1 digit, okay? And you reveal that digit. Now if you wanted to repeat this trick, you would do your favorite forcer again, or just grab one at random, and you use this number for 4-digit code. So this time they enter 4 digits. Let's keep it simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. They enter it twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. They hit divided by to associate their PIN code with their chosen locker number. In this case, 137, and they hit equals. And they're left with a 4 or 5-digit code. So now you need your password hint, in case they forget their PIN code. So they type in their password code or PIN code again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they hit equals, and they're left with that number. And you reveal that number. Associate their number with the word on the list, and then either have a prediction or just reveal their word verbally. These are the only two cards you need. 137 for the 4-digit, 143 for the 3-digit.